Okay. Come on the next topic, that is entry on the time of admission of partners. On the time of admission of partner, the partner will come with the goodwill and capital. Come with the goodwill and capital. So we are going to do the entry cash account debit to new partners capital and to goodwill, and then this goodwill will distributed in the old partner in his sacrificing ratio. Then goodwill account debit to old partners capital. These two entries confirmed on the case of new partner admit. Okay, beta? And after that, if partner withdraw the goodwill, one more entry is there, and entry is old partners capital account debit to cash. Okay, beta? These three entries we have done on the time of admission of partners. Okay, beta? On the time of admission of partner, we are going to do these three entries. Clear? When the partner is coming in firm with the cash in capital and goodwill in a cash, first entry, then goodwill will distribute in the old partner in his sacrificing ratio, second entry, and third, when old partner withdraw the goodwill, third entry. Okay? Now we are going to start with the question. Okay? Read our first question for this topic. L, M and R partners. That question number, beta? That is 21. Okay, beta? L, M and R the partners. Okay? Then?
Sharing profit in the ratio of 3 to 1.
3, 2 and 1.
They admit O into partnership.
O is entered in the partnership form. Then?
O bring in cash 4,50,000 as capital.
Capital 4,50,000 and goodwill 1,50,000.
For 1/5
Okay, beta? And for the 1/5
share.
sale. Okay? Clear? Here they are not given the any new ratio or any ad random ratio. That will going on with the systematic ratio or ratio system. Okay? It means when you are going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio, how are you going to calculate, beta? 1 minus 1 upon 5, then 4 upon 5, then L share 4 upon 5 into 3 upon 6, then M share 4 upon 5 into 2 upon 6, then N share 4 upon 5 into 1 upon 6, 12 upon 30, 8 upon 30, okay, and then 4 upon 30. Now new profit sharing ratio is L, M, N and O. 12 upon 30, 8 upon 30, 4 upon 30 and 1 upon 5 is to 6. Then 12, 8, 4 and 6, 3, 2, 4 and okay, this is the new profit sharing ratio. Okay, then start doing the entry. First entry, O capital, O's capital, what amount is there, beta? 4,50,000 and 1 lakh, and total is up to this clear, beta? Now we are going to distribute that goodwill, and goodwill amount is 1,50,000. Two partners is there. 3 is there. 2 L capital, 2 M capital, 2 N capital. Okay, and how we are going to distribute this goodwill in his sacrificing ratio. Okay. But the case is that if any random ratio is not given, only share or ratio is given, so that old ratio is equal to sacrifice. It's a math system, it's not any rule. It's a math only. Because when you are taking your share in this same ratio, so they are going to sacrifice in a same ratio. So 3 to 1. If any other thing is given or new ratio is given, then you are going to calculate the new sacrificing ratio. But here 3 to 1. Just distribute this 1,50,000 in 3 to 1. 3 to 1 is 6. 6, 2 and 5. 25. 25, 50 and 75. Okay? Finished? Now you are going for the third entry. Just see, in this question they are given withdrawal or not?
Yes.
Given full withdrawal or half? Full. Then we are going to do that third entry. Otherwise, only these two entries only used for any question. Going for third entry letter. L capital, M capital, N capital, to cash. Okay, beta? Then 750, 50, 25 and 1 lakh. Okay? On this way we are going to solve the question. Clear? We go for the next. Okay, tell the question. 22. P and Q are partners. 2:1 and
admitted are into partnership for 4/9 share in the profit which he acquire equally from P and Q.
Equally. 4/9 acquire equally. It means 4/18 and 4/18. Two part because two partners there, beta. Then next.
Are bring in cash 2,50,000 as a capital.
Capital 2,50,000 and goodwill 150.
180.
180. Finished? First going to calculate the new profit sharing ratio. You can? Easy na? What are you doing? Only P share 2/3 minus 4/18 and Q share 1/3 minus 4/18. Okay? Then 18 and 18. How many times? 6. 6 into 2? 12 minus 4. Here again 6 minus 4. Then P 8/18. Q 2/18 and R 4/90. Sorry, 9 into 2. 8:2:8. It means 4:1:4. Clear? Then go for the profit entry. Cash account debit to R capital beta and amount 250 and 180. It means 430. Finished? Then 180 here and 2 P capital and 2 Q capital equal means 90 and 9. Withdraw or not? No withdrawal? No need of this entry. Okay? Up to this for the second question. Clear? Okay. Now going to solve the questions.